Remain seated until your row numbers have been called upon for deplaning. Passengers who need assistance, please approach our cabin crew ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Mardo and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.
Hello, Sibungan. At kararating namin dito sa homestay namin. Mga 2 PM na. Ito ay mangrove garden at the back of our temporary residence here in Sibungan. Do a sound check pero busy, may programa kaya medyo a bit challenging, no? Pero eka nga ni Idol, galingan na lang natin. So hindi kami makakapag-sound check. Thank you Lord for another morning. Nagpe-prepare na tayo ng pabalik ng Maynila. It's already 5:50 AM. And that's how it goes. Dumating tayo ng Manila, siguro mga lunchtime na. At thank God for the safe travel. Next time, baka balisin tayo, abangan niyo yan. See you around guys!